In one of the previous videos, we have seen how to create an S3 bucket from management console, and we have also seen how to do the same thing from terminal. In this video, I'm going to upload an object into this bucket from management console as well as from the terminal. So without further ado, let's start. So first of all, I will try to upload an image into this bucket from management console. And to do that, I will go to this upload button here. I will click here, and then I will click add files. It will let me to upload files. Then I will go to one of my directories. Let's say I'm going to upload a file from downloads folder. And there's a file or image, you can see it's called background.png. I will upload that file into our bucket. So that's all I want. And once I uploading the file, I can choose the storage class as well from properties. You can see there are many storage class that we can choose from, but our concern is intelligent tiering. That's all. And then I will go to at the bottom and I will click upload, right? So that's how we can upload an object into S3 bucket while choosing the right storage class. That's it. All right. And then I go to the image that I have just uploaded. And then if I go a little bit down, I can see the storage class, which is intelligent tiering, and it will move the or transition the objects from frequent access all the way to archive instance access tiering, right? So that's how we can upload an object into S3 bucket while choosing the right storage class. All right. So now let's do the same thing from terminal, how we can do the same thing from terminal. All right. But before doing that, let's delete this file because we're going to upload the same file again from terminal, right? So I will delete it. It will ask for the confirmation, right? And delete the object. The object has been deleted. So you can see there is no object. So now what we're going to do, we will do the same thing from terminal. So here is my terminal. So the command that we can use to upload objects into S3 bucket is like this. It's AWS followed by S3 followed by CP, which means copy. Then I will choose the object that I want to upload into S3 buckets. So I select this. The name of the file is called background.png. That's what I want. Then I will mention the bucket that where I want to upload the object. Let's grab the bucket name. So this is the bucket where we want to upload the object. I just copy and paste it. And then I will paste it here, right? And then I will specify the new name of the object into that bucket. So it's same thing, background.png, right? That's all, but also we want to specify the storage class where this object will belong to. And that's intelligent. That's exactly same way you have to specify the storage class. And once it's done, I will press enter, and you can see shortly the objects will be uploaded into the bucket. So I get the confirmations. Now let's go back to my bucket and let's refresh the page, and I can see it has been uploaded. Wow, well done. So if I go back to the object again, I can see from properties the storage class is intelligent tiering for the object. So I did the same thing from the CLI, right? So that's how we can upload objects into S3 buckets and specify what kind of tiering we want for that objects, right? But before I wrap up this video, I would like to tell you how we can access this object from browser. So if I go up, let's click on this object URL. It will give you some issues saying it's not allowed to access from internet. So the reason why it's not accessible from internet because the object we just uploaded is not publicly accessible. So to make this object publicly accessible, what we need to do, we just need to change the permissions for this bucket. So what I can do, I am in the object right now, and then from object action, I can specify make public using ACL, right? I will click here, I will make the object publicly accessible. So it says public access is blocked because block public access settings are turned on for this account. So what does it mean? From the account setting, it restricts us from making any objects publicly accessible. So what we can do, I will click on the left navigation bar, then I will go to block public access for this account, and then I will click edit. It's block right now. So what we can do, we have to uncheck this block options, and then I will make the changes saved, right? I will confirm my changes, right? So I just uncheck the whole thing, but it's not recommended for production grade applications unless it is necessary, right? So I will go back to my buckets again, and then I will go to that object, and I will go to object actions, and I will make this object publicly available, and I will make it public. So see, this time it works. So now I will go back to my object, and I will click on the object URL, and I will try to open it in a new tab. And you can see, I can see the image from internet. That's how we can make an object publicly available. All right. So that's all. Thank you.